Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello, thank you for clicking on this video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. And in today's video, I'll be using Chebe powder and KARKAR oil. This is my first time of using Chebe powder. I've been seeing a lot about it and I decided to try it for the first time. And as you all know, Chebe powder is an African hair secret that is handmade by the women of African Republic of Chad. Chebe powder keeps the hair moisturized, preventing breakage, and is a very good powder for length retention. So go ahead and watch me mix everything together. So I found out that this is actually very messy, so I had to grab my wrapper or Ankara wrapper to cover myself, and my hair is already damp. I had to go and wet my hair before applying it, and the smell was not so nice, like the scent was not so nice. That's why I added the grapeseed oil. So as you can see, I am applying it to different sections of my hair. I had to section my hair into 5 different sections just to apply this thing thoroughly to my hair. And I think I actually made a very small amount, but it still worked for me. I'm not sure how long I'm going to carry this, but by the time you're watching this video, I would have carried it up to 3 days, and I'll be updating you guys on my progress. If I end up carrying it up to a week, I will show you guys what it looks like at the end of 1 week. So go ahead and watch me apply it thoroughly to my hair.
Come with me. Take my hand.
Okay guys, I made it. I'm done applying it to my hair. Since I don't have a plastic shower cap, I just used a nylon bag to cover my hair, and afterwards I used a hair tie to wrap it. And that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video.